I don't even know why I'm even watching this. I mean, the Five Nights at Mickey Show marathon was pretty good. So Yeekim shot me in the head. Luckily, I came back. Okay, might as well get this shitty day started. What the hell is that? You wanna die? What the hell did you say? Bullshit. Dumbass. Oh, looks like you got a whole squad. I'll take care of that. You ruined my show. Come to my home. So I'm gonna kill your friends. Come to Papa. On the count of three, we attack. Good. 3, 2, 1. What a perfect episode. Well, time to start my rap. What the hell? We're overwhelmed by stuff. Just mowed down 50 of our agents. Holy cow, how much did I kill? Thanks to them, I missed a portion of my show. Make sure the internet. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have no internet router. I'm just watching cable. Yeah, looks like I killed 20 of them. Like, this is. They're idiots. You expect them me to have friendly fire? Exactly. Dicks. Okay. What the hell happened in here? This is fucked up. Topolino! Shut up, I'm trying to watch my show. What is this? Look, Google it yourself, man. I ain't gonna tell you all the time. So shut up and let me watch my show. Is that a freaking machine gun? Well, of course. Look, Bal, are you gonna leave me alone and let me watch my show, or are you just gonna keep ranting me with stupid ass questions? Okay, I'm leaving. Shit. Putana. What the hell did he say? Hey, imposter, did you call me an Italian insult? No, I did not. You must be hearing shit. Putana. Really? You know how I take that shit real seriously. Right? Whoa, man, calm down. I was just kidding. Oh, I bet you were. Come in peace. You all ain't taking me alive. I gotta reload. Son of a bitch. Now it's my chance. Ha 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 ha. I don't think so. Yeah, exactly. Drop dead like a fly. Another day. Well done. Ruined my show. I mow their asses down.